Welcome back, gentlemen. If you're over 40 and ready to look as successful as you actually are, you're in exactly the right place. Today, we're cutting through the noise and getting straight to what actually matters, your image. A man walks into a room, well-dressed, confident, commands attention without saying a word. Every head turns. Not because he's the loudest, not because he's the youngest, but because he looks like a man who has his life together. Now, think about the last time you walked into a room. Did your outfit do that for you, or did it quietly work against you? Here's the hard truth. Most men over 40 are making outfit mistakes they don't even know exist. And those mistakes are costing them respect, confidence, and credibility every single day. Today, that changes. Before we get into it, if nobody in your life is giving you honest style advice, that's exactly why this channel exists. Hit subscribe right now. New practical content every week, built specifically for men over 40. And drop a comment below. Which of these 10 mistakes do you think you're guilty of? Let's find out together. Here's what nobody tells men over 40. The rules of dressing will completely shift once you hit the stage of life. Your body has changed. Your lifestyle has changed. Yet for most men, the wardrobe hasn't moved an inch. That disconnect is exactly where the mistakes live. The style advice flooding the internet targets 25-year-olds. Men over 40 either follow advice that doesn't suit them or give up entirely. Both choices are costly. How you present yourself directly influences how colleagues respect you and how you feel walking into any room. Today, that changes. Mistake 1. Wearing clothes that fit your old body, not your current one. Let's start with the most common mistake of all. You still have shirts from 10 years ago hanging in your closet. Suits you bought when you were a different size. Trousers that used to fit perfectly, but now pull at the waist or sag in the wrong places. And here's what happens. You put them on anyway, because they still technically close. Because getting rid of them feels wasteful. Because deep down, you're holding on to the idea that you'll get back to that size someday. Gentlemen, fit is everything. A moderately priced outfit that fits your body correctly will always outperform an expensive outfit that doesn't. Always. A tailor can transform a good piece into a great one for a fraction of what you'd spend replacing it. Stop wearing clothes that use a fit. Start wearing clothes that fit right now. Mistake 2. Dressing your age instead of dressing your best. There's a dangerous myth that men over 40 should dress a certain way. Conservative, muted, invisible. That bold choices are for younger men. That standing out is somehow inappropriate at this stage of life. That thinking is exactly what makes a man look old before his time. Dressing your age means surrendering. Dressing your best means understanding what works for your body, your lifestyle, and your personality, and committing to it with confidence. A well-fitted dark blazer over a crisp white shirt and dark jeans doesn't have an age limit. A clean, structured outfit with intentional accessories doesn't belong to any generation. It belongs to men who understand style. Be one of those men. Mistake 3. Ignoring the power of fabric quality over brand names. Most men over 40 fall into one of two traps. Either they chase expensive brand logos, thinking the name does the work, or they buy cheap, fast fashion pieces, thinking nobody notices a difference. Both approaches miss the point entirely. Fabric quality is what separates a sharp outfit from a forgettable one. A well-constructed linen shirt in a neutral tone carries more weight than a logo-covered piece that loses its shape after 3 washes. Learn to feel the difference between quality cotton and cheap synthetic blends. Learn to spot structure in a blazer versus padding that collapses over time. Invest in fewer pieces made from better materials. Wool, cotton, linen, leather. These fabrics age well, hold their shape, and communicate quality without announcing a price tag. Mistake 4. Overmatching. When coordination becomes costume. Coordination is a skill. Over-coordination is a mistake. When your belt, shoes, watch strap, pocket square, and tie are all the exact same shade of brown, you don't look polished. You look like you tried too hard. Real style has intention, but it also has ease. It looks considered without looking calculated. The fix is simple. Anchor your outfit with 2 or 3 complementary tones. Let one element stand slightly apart. A watch in a different metal finish. A pocket square in a contrasting pattern. Shoes in a shade that complements rather than copies. That slight variation is what gives an outfit personality. It's what makes people notice you, not just your clothes. Mistake 5. Wearing worn-out shoes with sharp outfits. A man can be wearing a perfectly fitted suit, a crisp shirt, and a quality tie, and completely destroy the entire look with one pair of scuffed, worn-down shoes. It happens more than you'd think. Shoes are the first thing many people notice, and the last thing most men update. Your shoes communicate care and attention to detail. A quality pair of leather Oxfords or clean leather loafers that are well maintained will elevate every outfit they're worn with. But cracked leather, worn down heels, and dirty soles send a message that contradicts everything else you're wearing. Polish your shoes regularly. Replace the heels when they wear down. Retire pairs that have passed their prime. Your shoes should always look like they belong to a man who pays attention. Mistake 6. Neglecting the details, belts, collars, cuffs. The difference between a good outfit and a great outfit often lives in the details that most men overlook entirely. A collar that curls up because it hasn't been ironed properly. A belt that's cracked at the buckle. Shirt cuffs that are frayed at the edges or disappear completely inside a jacket sleeve. These are small things individually. Together, they quietly dismantle an otherwise strong look. Your collar should always sit clean and flat. Your belt should always be in good condition and proportionate to your trousers. Your shirt cuff should extend just slightly beyond your jacket sleeve, roughly half an inch. These details signal precision. And precision is what separates a man who simply wears clothes from a man who understands them. Mistake 7. Playing it too safe with color. The all-gray, all-navy trap. There's nothing wrong with gray and navy. They're foundational colors in a strong wardrobe. But when every single outfit you own exists within those two shades, your wardrobe stops working for you and starts blending you into the background. Men over 40 often retreat to safe colors because they're afraid of getting it wrong. But playing it too safe is also getting it wrong. Introduce earthy tones: camel, olive, burgundy, warm tan. These colors work naturally with the neutrals you already own and add depth to your overall look. A burgundy crewneck sweater over gray trousers is sharp, masculine, and effortless. An olive field jacket over navy chinos reads as intentional and confident. Color doesn't have to be loud to be effective. It just has to be present. Mistake 8. Buying trends instead of building a timeless wardrobe. Every year, there's a new trend, a new silhouette, a new color story, a new style that everyone's wearing for 6 months before it disappears completely. And every year, men who chase those trends end up with a closet full of pieces that feel dated almost immediately. At 40 plus, your wardrobe should be built on permanence, not novelty. Timeless pieces, a navy blazer, white Oxford shirt, well-fitted dark chinos, quality leather shoes, a simple crew neck in a neutral tone. These items never go out of style. They work across every season, every occasion, and every year. Trends can inform small accessories if you choose. But the foundation of your wardrobe should be built to last a decade, not a season. Stop shopping for what's popular. Start investing in what endures. Mistake 9. Underestimating what grooming does for an outfit. Here's something most style channels won't say directly. A sharp outfit on an ungroomed man still reads as a man who doesn't have it together. Grooming isn't separate from style. It is style. A well-fitted blazer paired with an unkempt beard, uneven hairline, or neglected skin sends a mixed message. The outfit says one thing, the grooming says another, and people absorb both simultaneously. Your hair should always be clean and intentionally styled. Even if the style is simple, your facial hair, whether clean-shaven or bearded, should always have defined edges. Your skin deserves basic daily attention. These aren't vanity habits. They're finishing touches that complete the image you're building. A man who is well-groomed and well-dressed communicates that he respects himself. That message carries further than any single outfit ever could. Mistake 10. Dressing for who you were, not who you are now. This is the deepest mistake on this list, and the most important one to address. Many men over 40 are still dressing for a version of themselves that no longer exists. The corporate version, the younger version, the version trying to fit into a social circle or career that has long since evolved. Your style should reflect the man you are right now, at this level of experience, confidence, and clarity. That might mean letting go of the power suit you wore in your 30s, when your life looked completely different. It might mean embracing a cleaner, more relaxed silhouette that fits your current lifestyle. It might mean finally dressing with the quiet confidence of a man who no longer needs to prove anything to anyone. That kind of style isn't loud. It doesn't chase attention. It's simply commanded because it's completely authentic. And authenticity, gentlemen, is the most powerful thing a man can wear. You know the wardrobe. Baggy pleated trousers. Oversized polo shirts with the brand logo stretched across the chest. Square-toed shoes that haven't been relevant since reality TV ruled everything. A leather jacket that belongs to a man 2 decades younger. This isn't about mocking anyone. It's about recognizing patterns that are silently working against you. When your wardrobe is frozen in a past era, people notice. Even when they say nothing, it signals disconnection, like a man who stopped evolving. The good news? You don't need to replace everything overnight. Start with one outdated piece this week. Replace it with something clean, fitted, and current. One swap at a time, build a wardrobe that finally matches the man wearing it. No new purchases necessary. Just 3 immediate shifts that will change how your current wardrobe performs starting today. First, iron or steam everything you plan to wear. Wrinkled fabric instantly cheapens any outfit regardless of what you paid for it. Crisp clothes signal a man who is prepared and intentional. Second, roll up your sleeves deliberately. A clean mid-forearm roll on a casual shirt instantly adds structure and masculinity to a relaxed outfit. It's effortless but looks considered. Third, do a 5-minute mirror check before leaving. Full length, front and back. Check your collar, your fit, your shoes. Most men skip this entirely. The ones who don't, they're the ones who consistently look sharp. Small habits, significant results. Every decision you make about how you dress either confirms or contradicts the man you've built yourself into over 40 years. That's not pressure, that's power. You've already done the hard work of becoming someone worth respecting. Now, let your wardrobe finally reflect that truth unapologetically. If this video opened your eyes, hit that like button. It helps more men over 40 find this content. Subscribe so you never miss what's coming next. Next week, we're breaking down the exact wardrobe essentials every man over 40 needs to own. Drop your biggest takeaway below. Stay sharp, gentlemen. You've earned it.